Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by aligning prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps immediately. Verify decision makers and set expectations. Once they confirm, open with a concise value statement that ties to a clear metric. Then, show the concrete next step ask on screen, price, timeline, and owner. This primes agreement and avoids ambiguity. Make sure to reference any prior commitments or pilot results to anchor credibility. Then transition into solution specifics, so the audience can see how the ask follows directly from the benefits. Once done with the opener, move into the complex middle. Detail the commitment and execution. Walk them through scope and milestones, linking each deliverable to a benefit or metric. Then show concise ROI math so decision makers can see dollars and timing, present payback months, and percent improvement to remove guesswork. You should pause for quick clarifying questions and proactively address the primary risk with a one-line mitigation and contingency. This logical bridge makes the final ask feel like the natural next step. You close by stating the explicit, simple ask, sign here, approve the PO, or start the pilot on a specific date, and then immediately confirm who owns each next action and the exact dates. Use a short, direct summary sentence to restate benefits tied to that ask. If they hesitate, offer a low-friction micro-commitment like a 2-week pilot or milestone payment to reduce risk. Troubleshooting tip: if momentum stalls, propose a concrete fallback with clear success criteria so progress can resume quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.